guys, it's Zangam 3 Drum 3 here, playing Bullet, my new Bullet. I want to show you a mute, or you can call it discovery, a fun fact, something, I don't know, just call it whatever you want. But I have a good friend on YouTube. I cannot remember Whoopilio. He has made good what I call mutes with Bullet. I just want to refresh them because there's something I got some he don't get. Okay, we start today with a pirate. Okay, my friend, he has found this pirate on this Iceland here. But the funny thing, he still have he only have take a picture. But right now I fight him, and as you can see, I think you can see the picture of him. He's young. He's very young. That's confusing. And why do he have that green stick? No, not green, tree stick. I think I saved this picture of him, so I always have it. And there's also good parrot music in the background when you fight him. And his leg is not a boom. It's a it is a boom. It's not a tree stick. It's not a tree stick. It's a boom, I think, or maybe it is a tree stick. I don't know. Oh, right on the balls. Okay, I think I need to kill him right now. No, wait a minute. I have my cheat here. Let's try to go out to the water. Okay, he's coming after me. No, he stopped. Okay, wait a minute. I need. Oh. Whoa! What was that? You can hear. It's parrot music. Okay, I think I got my memories right now. I just want to take some pictures of him so I can remember that I fight this guy. Because I think when I kill him, he don't be there anymore. So yeah, it's just get off me, bitch. Okay, I also think I've saved this. Yeah, okay, but not enough talk of this pirate. Okay, let's kill him. Okay, he's very weak, I must say that. Stupid bitch. Okay, you want there. Oh yeah, secret pirate hat unlocked. Did you see that? If you kill this guy, the pirate hat is come. I just think it's fun facts. He's put there because then you can get the pirate hat. Oh yeah. Now we know that. And there's the ship. The ship is totally smashed. Okay, I also think I take a picture of him when he's dead. We will not call him dead. But I think next time you go to him, he's gone. So yeah. I love Bullet. I think it's a cool game. I have completed 3 days. Only 2 days. Then I have completed. Oh right. Oh yeah, that's fine. Come on. Whoa, that was close. Up you go, Jimmy Hopkins. Jimmy Hopkins is so cool. You see, I'm a pimp. I'm nice, huh? Yeah, I'm thinking for myself, I'm a pimp. Oh. But now you know that. Where the pirate guy is, when you get the pirate hat. I don't think it's a myth. Okay, fuck you. We don't care, Jim. Come, just fall. Can you not fall? Okay, you can fall. Okay, there you go. Okay, I think I will back. But I hope you enjoyed this part. So now you know how to get the parrot hat. So yeah, it's just to say see you later. Wait a minute. I just want to check. Sorry. I just want, as you can see, he's gone. Yeah, the pirate ship is there. So yeah, for now on, I say see you later, guys.